Hi everyone, welcome to another tutorial. This time I wanted to show you how to make a vision board using Pinterest and Canva. So this is the vision board that I made, and I'll show you how I did that. First, you're going to want to go to Pinterest and create a vision board. So you will just assemble pictures based on your vision or your mood that you want to focus on and show in your board. So I've gone ahead and done that. The next step is you're going to want to save these pictures to your computer so that you can go ahead and upload them later on in Canva. So what you do is you'll click on a picture to open it. You will right click on it. It'll come up in French. And you'll go to Save As, and that will save on your computer. So once you've gone through and you've saved all of those pictures to your computer, you're going to want to go ahead and go to Canva and open up a new document. I chose US letter size. And then we're going to go ahead and create our vision board using the frames and the grids. Before you go ahead and do that, go ahead and click upload so that you can upload all of your pictures. I've already gone ahead and done that, but you'll click the upload button and you'll upload your pictures one by one to Canva, the ones that you just saved from Pinterest. So once you've done that, I'll show you here, add a new page and type frames. I like to mix and match using the frames and the grids. I like things like this with the Scotch tape on it because it just gives it more of a look like something that's going to be put on a poster board. So I'll select something like that and rotate it. And then type in grids. That'll give us a selection of grids. And you can choose whichever ones you like. What it will do is when it opens, it'll fill up the whole square. But you can resize that by clicking on the corner and just dragging it down. You can copy it to make more and just fill them out where you like them to go. You can also arrange them by putting things forward and backwards. So if I want the one with the Scotch tape on it forward, I will just select it and then click on forward and it'll bring it forward. So I'm going to use the grids and frames that I have already set up here. I'll go back to uploads and I'll start adding my pictures in. I'm going to start with my word, which is abundance. I'm going to crop that because it's not really showing up the way I want it to. So I'll do that by clicking on crop. And I'm just going to slide that up and then click on the check mark. Okay. And that looks about where I want it. Next, I'm going to start putting in the pictures. So I think I'll start with the travel. This year I want to focus it on not just the travel that I want to do, but also some travel that I have done. Like this year I went to Greece, and that was fun. So you see, as you click them, the picture just goes automatically into the frame. Like you don't have to like mess around too much with like resizing it and like shrinking it and pulling it up and down. As you can see, when you hover over it, it will show you how it'll look in each box. That one just went. You see that one, I hovered over it. And I can have two options. I can either go back and re-click the picture, or I can click undo. Undo again a few more times. No, that's not doing. Well, what I can do is I can just go back, choose my picture again, put it in there, crop it again, click on the check mark, and there it's back. And I'll just keep going to fill up all of the images in all the frames. You can mix it up with quotes. If this is going to be your vision board, usually some people like to put in quotes and pictures that are going to motivate them throughout the year. And that's pretty much what I chose to do. So don't feel like you have to make it look a certain way because, maybe you saw someone else's vision board and you thought, oh, mine doesn't look as pretty as theirs, or mine doesn't seem as neat. Like whatever you want. If you want to do just only words, then, by all means, go ahead and, do it that way. Or even, only pictures. Just to show you here, like I said before, you can arrange the images and put them forward and backwards. If I didn't want this behind this picture here, I can click on arrange and I can click forward and it'll just put it in front. But I don't want it that way, so I'll just put it back. And I'm done. I think that took like 5 minutes. So this is my vision board. What I can do from here is save it. Of course, you can go to File, Save, and you can also download it as a PDF, a JPEG, a PNG. I think what I'll do is I'll save mine as a JPEG and probably put it on my phone so that I can see it all the time. That is how you make a vision board using Canva and Pinterest. What I'm also going to do is put a link to the template that I created so that you guys can use that. If you're in my Facebook group, you can find the link. It'll be in there. If you're not, you can go ahead and join and you can easily get the link to the template so that you can make your own vision board and let me know how it turned out. If you like this video, let me know. Please leave a comment. Let me know if I should make more like these. And I hope you found it interesting.